Today we talk about how can you add child's information on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here. So when you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then here you will find here add child, just click on it here. So then here add child's nickname here in this list, and here birthday. Then you click on done, then it's going to add with you on your family album. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.